no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Good morning to all present here. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate our Founders Day. And on this special occasion, a quiz competition for class 5 has been organized. And the topic for this quiz competition is Know Your School. First round is warm-up round. And the first question for the team A is, how many houses are there in our school? 5 houses. So 10 marks for the team A. Let's give this huge round of applause for the team B. Second question is for the team B. What is the name of our school library? Louder.
Nalanda Library.
Very good. Third question is for the team C. What is the name of our auditorium?
Vivekanand Hall.
Fourth question again to team A. How many Hindi teachers are there in the primary section? In the primary section you have to go.
4.
It's wrong. There are 5 Hindi teachers in the primary section. Now next question to 5B is, what is the name of our school song? No. Tell me.
मैम ये हमारा गंगा बुक है।
Very good. So 5 marks for class. Okay. Whose statue do you see in the lobby of our auditorium?
स्वामी विवेकानंद statue.
Very good. 10 marks for 10 marks. Team B, that is the bottle brush team, 20 marks. And team C, that is the chrysanthemum team, 20 marks. So again, huge round of applause for all the 3 teams. Okay, now let's start with the second round, that is the history round. So, as the team are you ready? Which is the foundation year of our school?
2003.
Very good. Now the next question, second question is for team water brush. What is the motto of our school?
Excellence in education.
Very good. Chrysanthemum team, this question is for you. Who is the secretary of our school?
Krishna Gupta ma'am.
Very good. So, four questions from the history round. To ask the team, our school is affiliated to which board?
CBSE.
Board. Very good. Correct answer is for whatever team, that is class 5B. Which spiritual guru inaugurated our school? Okay, should I tell you?
Yes.
Okay, Sri Ravi Shankar ji. Okay, next is again, last question is for class 5C, that is the chrysanthemum team. Name the first student of our school, Ganga Madhukar.
The first student of our school is Sandeep Tiwari.
Very good.
Light.
Okay, this is for Aster team, that is class 5A. You have to identify this image.
This is the image of Vivekananda Hall.
Very good. Next. Team B, hospital team, you have to identify the image.
Office.
Okay, very good. I'll give you. Okay, third image. This is for class 5C, that is the presiding team. You have to identify this image. It is the favorite place of the children. Know this.
The playground.
Playground.
Okay, granted, please.
Okay, 10 marks. Correct answer. Shweta ma'am next. Okay, this is for Team Aster.
This is the image of Mrs. Krishna Gupta.
Ma'am. Okay. So this is the photo of our Krishna ma'am. Okay, next. For water you have to identify the photo.
This is the image of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Alpana Devi.
Very good. This is the
This image is of founder president Sri Rog Manilari.
very good, very good. Okay. Next is the fifth whole round, that is the rapid fire round. Okay, children. Now in this round, the rules are slightly changed. From each team, I will ask 3 questions. Okay, and you have to be very quick to give the answers, because there is no extra time given for the questions. Okay, so and the questions will not be passed on to the next team. You have to give the answers of all the 3 questions and very quickly. So team A, ready? Okay. The first is, who is the coordinator of the secondary section? Quick. No.
Mrs.
Next.
Jessica Srivastava.
Next. Tinku ma'am. Okay, good.
Tuesday.
Name one higher auntie of our school.
Sanju Aunty.
Very good. Okay. The first is, what is the name of our village school? Quick.
Bal Gurukulam.
Very good. What is the name of on this page it says English player song in the assembly?
Friday.
Very good. Which app is being used for online teaching in primary section? Is anyone being ready? From which class house vice captains are selected in primary section?
Class 4.
Very good. Now this question is sprouted, boiled grain and sandwich is the diet of which day?
Monday.
Very good. Name one math teacher of our school.
Sumona ma'am.
Very good. All the 3 teams have got full marks in this rapid fire round, 30 marks each. Very good. Now last is the faculty round. A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge. sprinkle them with love and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's day. So, who is the head of our primary section? Who is the head of our primary section?
Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am. Name one teacher whose name starts with N. Next. N for
Nita ma'am.
very good. Okay. Last one, please. Name one PT teacher of our school.
Alok sir. Very good.
Now, Astatine, fourth question is for you. Name one art teacher of our school.
Anita ma'am.
This question is for you. Name one English teacher of the school.
Madhuri ma'am.
This question is for you. Last question. On which day teachers conduct the assembly program? On which day teachers conduct the assembly program? Time is over. Okay. This question will be passed on to Pastor T. On which day teachers conduct the assembly program?
Children's day.
Very good. Final question.
Result is very obvious. You could see it on the scoreboard. But I must appreciate the spirit of the students who are participating. They really prepared very well and they researched so much. They could speak so confidently. So we must give them a big hand. But participation is more important. And I would also like to appreciate the discipline with which you all were sitting and you were observing how they were performing. Class 5B is the winner, and Principal Ma'am has said that tomorrow you will be getting your prizes and also a certificate. Okay? So that's great.
Very well done, students. The students were so enthusiastic during the quiz, it was wonderful watching. Now, the person who has consumed herself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of your children, Honorable Principal Ma'am of MPVM Ganga Gurukulam is requested to come on the stage and address the audience.
First of all, I would like to appreciate all the students who have performed on the stage and who have participated in the off-stage events today. To be very honest, class 6, 7, 8 are not here, but you have seen the presentations of class 8. The students did their best. And I met the students just now downstairs and I've given my appreciation and I passed a message to the children. You know, when you come on the stage, you feel I'm very confident. But once you step onto the stage, you forget your dialogues. You forget everything. It's very difficult to stand here and speak. So we are giving you a practice more often to come on the stage, perform on the stage and build your confidence. This is what our founder even wanted. Late Sri Lokmani Lalji, you have come to know a lot about him. Right from the assembly, we had a number of programs and you have seen the dream that he had was completely different. He always wanted people to be good in their values. So I know my children are picking up the values that their teachers are giving them. And of course, I must say that I enjoyed this quiz. And I hope my students also enjoyed the quiz. I was so happy to know that children know so much about the school. Though their teachers must have prepared them, but when they were preparing, I think all the students were there in the class. So सभी बच्चों को थोड़ा बहुत information ये सारी चीजें मिली होंगी. और आज you are in the 5th standard, but tomorrow you'll go to the middle school and then to the senior school, and you will carry forward these things. You will share with your friends, so more children will come to know about your school.